Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Shein app not working problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first thing you have to make sure is whether if your app is updated or not, because if it's not, then you might be able to face those problems. For that, access your app store or play store accordingly and type in Shein right over here and see. So we have got our app and it shows open instead of update. That means our app has been updated and our app is up to date, and that is good. Now if that doesn't help as well, go back, access your settings, go to search bar, type in storage and scroll down till you find your Shein app right over here. Go ahead, tap on show all, and there we go. Now right over here, simply go ahead, tap on this offload app, tap on offload. This will simply remove all of the data, unnecessary data and storage that the app was holding, so it can free up the space, but it will still keep your documents, so you don't have to worry. Now again, tap on this reinstall app. That way you will be able to reinstall it and you have free of storage as well, so that way it will simply help your app to work sufficiently and easily. Now you won't be able to face those problems. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.